The Ulti EX5 is the fastest, toughest, and most versatile rapid door, giving you ultimate protection against the elements and enhanced productivity through your critical access ways. With opening speeds of up to 3.0 meters per second, the Ulti EX5 is one of the fastest doors available, eliminating frustrating wait time, shortening cycle times, and outperforming any approaching traffic, minimizing the chance of impact damage and costly repairs, while maximizing productivity and decreasing energy costs at your facility. The next-gen push and pull curtain drive technology and superior seal of the Ulti EX5 enables endless versatility and the installation in the widest range of applications, both externally and internally. With options like an insulated curtain and corrosion-resistant stainless steel frame, the versatile Ulti EX5 door can be installed into chilled or heated areas and into washdown and food processing areas with full confidence. The extra high wind load rating also makes it perfect for positive pressure environments, or enabling non-stop production and loading activities in even the harshest weather conditions. With a self-lubricating and self-repair track design and unique curtain drive technology, the Ulti EX5 is low maintenance and big on safety. If the curtain is knocked from the side guides in the event of an accidental impact, the curtain will automatically reinsert itself in the track thanks to the unique curtain edge anti-crash hinge profile. No production downtime, no repair costs, no hassle. The Ulti EX5 low-maintenance design runs even deeper with the two curtain header roll-up options. The standard counterweighted dual-shaft curtain system allows the drive shaft to remain independent of the curtain collection shaft, decreasing the load wear on the motor and creating an anti-drop curtain safety system, keeping the curtain in place even in the event of mechanical drive failure. The Ulti EX5 also has the option of a non-contact spiral header track system. The self-lubricating polyethylene spiral header is ideal for special applications like full washdown and even horizontal installations. The Ulti EX5 curtain is made of heavy-duty reinforced PVC and is highly customizable to suit your unique application. With customizable vision panels, curtain colors, ventilated options, and custom printing, you can truly make it your own. Visit ultigroup.co.nz to find out more about our rapid door range, or reach out to one of our experienced team on 0800 807 753. We're Ulti Group, protecting what matters.